Changing the wishbone spine on the Roastrunner oven. We're going to do this to the right hand side on the 30 wishbone rack. This job is best done when the oven is cool enough that you can touch the center spine. The only tool required to do this will be a 5mm Allen key. We'll start by removing the wishbones. Now that all the wishbones have been removed, we can take our 5mm Allen key and release the 2 bolts that are in the top here. When you remove these 2 bolts, the spine will easily be removed. In actual fact, it'll just fall straight down. Be careful with the bottom carbon. Make sure it doesn't fall out when you release the spine. Check with your new spine that it is stamped right hand if you are replacing the right hand side. Take the carbon, put it up like so, and get the spine from beneath. Then it's just a simple matter of tightening the bolts back up. Okay, at this point, it is best to grab one of the wishbones to use as a handle. We'll make sure that we have smooth operation, there's no binding, and everything's nice and free. And now we can replace the wishbones. Simply click the whole 30 of them back into position and the job is complete.